Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of tuning in to watch my video, you're highly welcome. And trust me, if you really need to learn how to do that perfect bridal hairstyle, this is the right place for you. This is the I forgot those of you that have been there. Thank you so much for your support so far. So this is the hairstyle we came up with this week, and I hope you guys love it. And the tutorial is completely free, guys. Please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and if you have any question you would like to ask, you want me to attend to, do drop it in the comment box section. I'm going to be holding a training, but guys, I'm not ready yet. Just make sure your notifications are on so you'll be alerted once the trainings are. Please subscribe to my channel so we can get this channel to at least 1,000 followers. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.